Hi guys, I'm AP. Today we are going to see a overall recap of our fundamental analysis and things to consider before investing in individual stocks. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we should know who should buy individual stocks and who should not invest in individual stocks. The thing is, if you are an entrepreneur, then you should focus on your own business. You can invest in the stock market, but not in the individual stocks. Rather than you can buy the index funds. But if you are a salaried person, then you should invest in individual stocks. At least you cannot be the entrepreneur, but we are becoming a partner in the already existing business. With that mindset only, we should come into the stock market and invest. I have also seen introduction to the stock market and how the secondary market works and how the primary market works and how the IPO market works likewise. And we have seen who are all the market participants like traders, scalpers and investors. We only focus on investing. And who are all the people who are investing in the markets like FIIs, DAIs and the retail people like you and me likewise. Okay. To invest our money in the long term, the strategy we have chosen is value investing. We have already seen the Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor book show so that we can get the right mindset of the long term value investing. And by doing the fundamental analysis, we should answer the three main questions, that is, what the company is doing and how the financial stability of the company and whether we are buying the company at the correct price or not. Okay. And the first step towards the fundamental analysis by reading the annual report of the company. By reading the annual report of the company, we can come to know about the business and promoter and their management and who are all their shareholders likewise. And by reading the financial statement of the company in the annual report, we can come to a conclusion that whether the company is having debt or how much profit margin the company has and everything about that. I have done a separate video for every topics I have spoken about and please go check that out. Okay. And it is a conclusion video for our overall fundamental analysis. In the fundamental analysis episode, we have seen how to read an annual report and what is a P&L statement and what is a cash flow statement and what is a balance sheet of a company, and with the financial statement how we can derive the profitability ratio, valuation ratio and the liquidity ratio likewise. Okay. After doing this, and there is another important factor, that is the intrinsic value of the company. The intrinsic value is nothing but the real value of the company. To find that, there are several methods, but the several methods will give us a several answer, because the intrinsic value calculation is based on the future calculation. We are going to predict the future values so that our assumptions may differ, so that we cannot get the right answer for every formulas. So that I always suggest you to go to the screener app and check the intrinsic value of the company. For the intrinsic value calculation, I always recommend the DCF calculation, that is discount cash flow method calculation. If you want a dedicated video for that, please comment below. I will do that. And that's how we conclude the fundamental analysis episode. Next, we are going to see about the Peter Lynch book show, the three books, that is Learn to Earn, Beating the Streets, and Once Upon a Wall Street. We can see that in the next video. Still then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.